Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Cloud Accounting session for freelancer. Today we are gonna discuss about the inventory and production management in cloud accounting software. I will show you how you can manage your inventory and utilize those inventories to your production line, production house to make your finished goods. So let's see how it works in cloud accounting software. Okay. So, here you can see inventory on hand. We showed you earlier in last videos. I showed you how you recorded your how you added the inventory item first, and then you purchased the inventory items and recorded as purchase by purchase invoice and stock are now right now. These are the physical stock in your warehouse. These are the quantity of your raw materials. Now you will use this raw material to make your finished goods in your production house. So how it will work? Let's see. This software is actually uses the perpetual method of inventory management. If you don't know what is perpetual and periodical method of managing inventory, so you should Google it first. To utilize the raw materials, you need to first add the finished goods item. So I will add these are all raw materials right now. We don't sell actually fabric and accessories. Let's say we sell as a 7 Fashion Limited, 7 is a Fashion Limited sell t-shirt, shirts, these kinds of products as finished goods to the local market or international market. Let's create finished goods item first. Let's say uh, t-shirt. This is the finished goods. Now I'm adding to the inventory item finished goods t-shirt style long. Let's say style long. Style long 001 001 and white color. Okay, this is our finished good. Let's say we and unique name should be pieces. This is a unique name. So we waited hours course. Let's create. So now Seven Fashion Limited will produce, let's say, 1,000 pieces of a T-shirt that's style 1001. How actually you can use your production information or how you manage your production facilities to make the finished goods here. First you have to go to the production order. You can see, and now new production order. So this today's date. If you use the inventory location for your raw material, you must select the warehouse one or two, which raw material you are using. So let's say our finished goods is we added only one finished goods, this t-shirt style no more. Let's say we will produce 1,000 pieces of produce. Let's say, and I want to show you another things first inventory item. Let's say the quantity of the inventory item. As you can see now, t-shirt style long 001 white color added to the inventory item, but the quantity is zero because we don't purchase t-shirt. We produce, yes. As you can see, quantity is zero because we had to produce or make a t-shirt by utilizing these available raw materials in your warehouse. So how we can produce it? Let's say, okay, this is the production order. Now we select our this is our finished goods, and we make 1,000 pieces of t-shirt here. To produce 1,000 pieces of t-shirt, now you have to add the bill of material. That's also called the BOM. The BOM is the bill of material. Bill of material actually products you going to make in your production house. So you have to add all the production related cost here, all the materials you are going to use to make your finished goods. You will add it to the bill of materials. As you can see, bill of materials, you can add line if you have the more than one material. Of course we will have the more than one material, so you can add line here to properly record your materials here. Let's say we will use fabric number 2, and quantity, let's say 1500 meters. We will, okay, and then uh, we will use accessories. let's say accessories let's say accessories 1, it's 1000 pieces. Accessories 2, 1000 pieces. One like accessories 3, 1000. You'll have to use so many accessories from your warehouse to make a garments finished products. And now we added, as you can see in the bill of material, we only select the inventory item and the quantity, but we cannot select the price. The price of these raw materials will automatically be extracted by the system or software itself. So we don't price of this raw material, because you already import the price of this raw material when you purchase these items, as I showed you earlier. Okay, these are raw materials we are going to use to make 100 pieces of t-shirts. Let's create, and this is the production cost, 35,000. And now you can say that it is this only material cost we are using it may have other factory overhead for making a t-shirt in the production house. So we will add factory overhead now. How we can, let's say we will uh, create expense in direct labor, factory electricity. This 1000 t-shirt. So let's say it should be a cash payment, and then we will do it a cash payment, paid from cash, and pay other description, direct labor, okay, labor cost for 1000 pieces of t-shirt style long 001. So now you are going to pay to your labor for this 1000 pieces of t-shirt. So you will select the account, the direct labor. Here is the direct labor. Let's say you are going to pay uh, 30,000. So let's get. So we will again create another 30,000. Level this, let's say electricity cost. Electricity cost for uh, and now we will select the accounting head electricity, factory electricity bill actually. Let's say 10,000. And you may have other overhead for, let's say, other factory overhead cost 400. Let's say 20,000. Okay, and now you can see the manufacturing costs are related to the 1000 pieces of the t-shirt here. These are the manufacturing cost related to the 1000 pieces of t-shirt, the factory or the factory electricity, electric labor or other overhead.